What's up, guys? Just a quick PSA here. If you feel called to do your part to help raise the collective vibration, it's real important that you don't get sucked into that swinging pendulum of fear, so that you can be an example to those around you that really need you. Remember, opposing frequencies can't share the same space. So the people that need you, that are living in fear, their lower vibrational frequency of fear, that has to be raised up to your higher, more dominant frequency. And that's how we stop the coronavirus from accomplishing its intended mission, which was to distract us from raising the collective vibration. So that's how we continue to raise the collective vibration. We be an example for those that are living in fear. So find your center, find your peace, find your strength, and raise your vibration. And then we still get to stay on the mission of raising the collective consciousness. Love you guys.